What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. Now let's do this. Now once you're inside your Instagram account, guys, if it's somebody that you're speaking with generally and you want to know if that person blocked you and you've been messaging with this person, one way how you can know if this person blocked you is by simply going to your messages. So as you can see, I'm on my home dashboard here within the Instagram app, and on the uppermost right hand side, I'm going to click on the message icon, which is the arrow. Right now, the profile that I'm using for this is Andrew A. Little, as you can see, the second one in the list there. So I'm going to simply open up this message. Now once you're there, guys, the first thing that you will notice is that at the top you will see it says Instagram user. It will not show the person's name, it will only say Instagram user. And of course, as well, if you try to click on the profile, let's say you click on the Instagram user or the picture, it will show like a blank screen. It will not be able to show you the person profile, right? If you go back there and you click view profile, you will not be able to see the same thing. So that's how you will know if the person blocked you as well. Another way how you can notice this, guys, is if you try to add the person within a story. So let's say we go ahead and we will try to create a story, right? I'm going to simply go ahead and take a picture. Let's just use this, the floor, and I'm going to simply use the text option here, and I'm going to add the profile, right? So I'm going to go ahead and type in the username here. And once you do that, guys, you will realize that you're not able to find that profile within Instagram as well. However, if you click done and click your story, the story will be added, right? But you will not be able to see that you mentioned this person within your story. So let's click on story here. And as you can see, the story is there. The name is there, that as you can see that I mentioned. Let's go back. If you go back to your messages, you realize that the message is not there. So this is one way how you can tell if the person blocked you, right? Another way is that you can also try to search for the account as well. So let's try it. If you click search, you realize you're not able to see that particular profile. You will see other profiles, but you're not able to find that particular profile. And that's how you can know if someone actually blocked you on Instagram. Really hope you find this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and also hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, and see you next time.